Alright guys, starting the vlog a little bit late, but tonight's gonna be crazy. We have so many cars, GTRs, 1000 horsepower Evos, so many cars, and we're gonna go do some racing. I'm probably just gonna videotape everything because I've got one of the slowest cars here, even though I'm 400 wheel horsepower. So you guys probably hear all the cars around us. There's a ton of stuff. There's an NSX over there. I don't know if you can see those headlights. GTR, all kinds of stuff, but we're rolling out. There's that 1000 horsepower Evo. Oh, that thing is so nasty. It's got a Super 99 on that thing. It's about 700 wheel, right? 700?
A little over.
A little over 700 wheel, and he's doing a roll race with an EG hatch, which I believe is pushing about 650. Definitely a little bit lighter, but this race should be sick.
Somebody else is filming. Why am I filming?
Hopefully you guys enjoyed those races from last night. Jeremy's Porsche was actually breaking up at the top end, so his Porsche wasn't even running at its full capability, and that EG hatch was insanely fast and is giving me a ton of inspiration to go and put a big turbo on my Civic. Well, not that big of a turbo, but you guys know what I mean, a decent sized turbo. So if you guys think I should turbo the Civic, Let me know down in the comments below. But those races were a ton of fun. But the main point of today's video is I finally got in the new turbo for the Evo. Now I've hinted at it in the previous videos and I finally got it here. So here it is. This is my brand new turbo. All of these are brand new parts. This is a Billet 20G and I am so excited to get it installed on the Evo. Now it's still the same stock Evo 9 housing. Somebody said this looks like it is an eBay housing, but not a big deal. Everything else is really, really top-notch, good quality parts, and I am so excited to see what this turbo can do. Now, obviously, this is the Evo that this turbo is going to go in, and currently, for those that are wondering, this is on an Evo 9 turbo with the 10.5-inch hot side, and is making about 400 wheel horsepower. Now with this new turbo right here, it should be able to make about 50 to 60 more wheel horsepower. Not a ton, still a journal bearing turbo, but why I'm really excited about this turbo is it's actually going to spool only about 200 to 300 RPM later than the turbo that's in this one currently. So I'm still gonna be able to track the car, still gonna be able to drive it. And that is why I went with a 20G. I haven't seen many other YouTubers with Evos do a 20G turbo. I know I'm probably gonna get bored of this really quick and wanna go super big turbo, so just know that will happen. But we are installing this next week, so in the next few videos, stay tuned because this beautiful 20G will be on the Evo. So hopefully you guys are as excited as I am to see what kind of power numbers this new turbo is gonna make. I'm guessing it's gonna make right around an actual 400 wheel because when I did get my car dynoed, it uncorrected, I believe it made about 320. So I'm hoping for closer to 400 wheel. If it made almost 400 wheel, I would be so excited. So let me know in this video what you guys think this turbo is gonna make on the dyno, because once we get it installed, I'm gonna take it up to Edge Autosport, have them dyno it, and hopefully it's about 400 wheel. If it is, I would be so happy. I just want this thing to be a little bit faster, but not to the point that the drivability is not there. Got coilovers on the way, and then as you guys know, I did rattle can these wheels, and I'm actually gonna go ahead and respray them tonight and make them a different color. So here's that color. It's a cyber gray metallic. Gonna mix a little bit of black into it and it's going to be beautiful. So my rotas aren't going to be this gold, blue, shiny, crazy color anymore. I think the black on silver on black is gonna look really good, so stay tuned. I am gonna film this as its own separate video, so we're doing that today. This will be the next video, and then we're actually taking this out to the track tomorrow. Let's see how the Evo does tomorrow. New turbo will be going in next weekend, and then coilovers will be after that because this monster truck height is no bueno. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Lots of racing, Evo parts, what's not to love? So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel for multiple videos a week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys next time.